Maximum number of trades, this is how many trades can you have open at one time. Now this originally was set at 10. I think it's probably not a bad idea, especially if you're going to be running the monster, just to open it up. You can use this in a few different ways. Say you're running a breakout bot, or just any bot, but say we'll use the breakout bot for example, because it's the way the stops are, it loses say 15 pips, which is equal to 1.5%. So at that case, you don't want to lose more than, say 3% that day. So that means you can only lose 2 trades, right? So you might, in that case, on the bot, might want to limit it to a maximum of 2 trades open at once, because that would kind of be part of your risk management. You don't want to risk more than 3 a day, but you know how the breakouts work sometimes. If a euro dollar breaks out, then maybe a euro yen is breaking out. Pound yen is breaking out, maybe all the yens are breaking out together. You could open theoretically 4 or 5 trades simultaneously. In the event they all win, great. In the event half of them win and lose, that's still great because of the risk reward. But in the event that they all lose, now you lost 4 trades times 1.5 each. That's 6%. That's way beyond your risk management strategy. So, if you don't mind having multiple simultaneous trades, then mitigate it here. Just limit it here. Just understand that the monsters could take up to 3 trades just on one setup. So if you'll allow up to 3 monsters, that's 9 trades, and that's nothing else, no other alerts for any other types of setups. So just keep it in mind. 4 monsters, if you're okay with 4 simultaneous monsters being open, then you'd want at least 12, and that depends if you don't have the 60-minute scale in. I'm just going to throw it up to 20 for the trade room account for now.